Hello everyone, it's Michael again. Welcome to the forexfactory.com thread, trading institutional order flow. As I've said to you guys, this is where we hang out and share ideas. It's growing steadily, and it's been a lot of fun interacting with you all here. Thank you all for your input. I just wanted to talk about this trade that I posted on the Eurcad and talk you through why I decided this would be a buy for me. I've got a few questions about it, so hopefully it won't be too long a video. As I said, I posted this, I believe it was yesterday, so just we'll go through it together now, just as a sort of lesson on how I use supply and demand. So starting with the monthly chart, we can see here that price has been sitting in this monthly zone now for 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th month of 6 month in the monthly demand, and it's not breaking. And you can see that we're making roughly higher lows inside there, suggesting that buying is happening. What we aren't doing yet is making convincing higher highs. And the reason for that is because we have to chew through this little bit of supply here. Now, the reason why this one is now going to be a trade for me is because we've been into this area now. This is at least 3 times, and price is still in an uptrend. We still have supply zones being removed and demand zones being created. So we're still in an uptrend. It's been a big sell-off into this monthly zone. So obviously the trend on a smaller time frame would have been down. So as we can see on the weekly, the trend has been down, and this is the weekly demand zone that has been holding up price for so long. You can see that, and that's the monthly supply. That's what it looks like on the weekly. So this is the supply that's been holding price down, and that's the demand that's been holding price up. This is demand because you can see the big rally away from it, and in addition to that, it's also a demand zone that's been created by the break of this trend line. More importantly though is the big rally away from it. So we can see that when price is pulled back into it, it's rallied out again. So clearly there were orders placed in this area again. So what we're anticipating is the fact that the monthly is in an uptrend and price is now pulled into weekly demand and is going out again, that this will eventually be broken. And even if it's not, we still have enough of a profit margin, because the trade is going to be taken on the daily, and this daily zone, as you can see when I move my cursor, it's located just about on top of that monthly demand zone. So this is the trade that I posted. Really it's like what we call a level on top of a level, because you also have this level underneath it, and there are 4-hour zones in here that have obviously now today been chopped through, but it's the daily demand that we're looking to buy at, which is near the monthly demand. So that gives a bit of credence to this zone. So ideally buying it here. If you're patient enough and you're worried that this will not hold, then maybe buying in there or staggering the entry. I'm not suggesting buying that. This is me talking out loud, my thought process, what I will be looking to do. I don't expect anyone to do anything that I say. Okay, so this is why I'm deciding to look into buying this market. We can see this is a demand zone, as is this, again, because of the big rallies away from them, and also the fact that they also broke this trend line. Okay, so that's what I see. I hope that helps you guys. Let's keep it going. I love the interaction on the thread. Thank you very much for your contributions again. It's much appreciated. Okay, all the best, people. Take care.